Now, the last tip I have for you is all about saving time. You probably already know the benefits of knowing some shortcut keys in your favorite application, but sometimes it's hard to remember all of those wonderful shortcuts. Well, no matter where you are in Google Drive, all you need to do is select Ctrl =/, and you will get a full menu of all of the keyboard shortcuts available to you. And what I love about this menu is that not only can you browse through it on the left here, they've broken them out into different sections, but you can also search for particular shortcuts at the top of this dialog. So perhaps I'm editing something, I want to click on editing. Perhaps I didn't know that Ctrl K will allow me to insert a link. Now, depending on which application you're in, for example, Docs versus Sheets versus Slides, these shortcut keys may differ. So you'll want to hit Ctrl =/ in the different applications that you're working on.